School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present, and emerging.
We would also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up to what's coming next.
Australians, oh, let us rejoice, for we are one and free. We've golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts, all beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains that let us sing, advance Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cranbourne East Primary School weekly online assembly. Well, last week I mentioned I will be interviewing a very, very special visitor, a guest, and today I'd like to introduce Wendy. You would have seen Wendy around because Wendy works in our school canteen. And over the many, many years, well over 12 years that Wendy's worked at the school, she has provided lunches and snacks and other items to, well over 1,000, 2,000, well over 10,000 children, probably more. Well, this Friday, today is going to be Wendy's last day before she moves into retirement. So not only do we want to thank Wendy for the absolutely wonderful, the fantastic support she's provided to children over many, many years, I'd just like to ask Wendy, what has been the highlight? What's one thing that you've really enjoyed working in the school with the children?
I've enjoyed chatting to the children. Some of them are quite chatty. And I've enjoyed watching the children progress through the school, starting as preppies, as being a little bit shy, and then as the years go on and as they grow up, they've matured, and yeah, I just really enjoy watching them grow up.
Yeah, thanks, Wendy. And where to from here? You're moving into retirement. What plans have you got to do after leaving us here?
I know I'm leaving a bit before the end of the school year, but next Wednesday I have a knee replacement surgery, so that's just brought my retirement on a little bit earlier. And my husband's retiring, so we're buying a caravan and we'd like to do a bit of travelling.
Lovely, yeah. Well, Wendy, know that you're always more than welcome to drop in and say hi, especially when you're travelling around with your caravan. But I do want to take this opportunity on behalf of not only our students from the very first day that we opened, our families, our staff, and everybody else we supported, to say a really big thank you and to wish you all the very, very best as you move into retirement. Thanks, Wendy.
Thank you very much, and I've thoroughly enjoyed working at this school. All the students, all the staff, everyone's always been wonderful, and it's just been a pleasure to work here.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, Wendy. Take care.
Will do. Thank you.
Hello there everyone, it's riddle time. Here we go. What kind of dress can never be worn? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work out the answer. Alright, time's up. I hope that one got you thinking. What kind of dress can never be worn? The answer is your address. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, everybody. I hope you have lots of fun and a really enjoyable weekend. See you all again next week. Bye now.
This week is National Science Week. Some of the Year 4 classes started the week with a webinar with Parks Victoria where we got to interact with a real-life marine biologist. We learnt lots of cool facts. The theme for this year is Glass More Than Meets the Eye. So all science classes participated in experiments where we explored light refraction. And light refraction is where the speed of light changes when it reaches a surface, and it bends around and changes what our eyes actually see. So we had lots of fun playing around with putting patterns behind water in glass jars and exploring what we can see.
Oh wait, it's facing both ways. It's facing both ways, on. Whoa. Like both of the arms are both ways. I wonder oh. This is so big. Ew. And then I'm putting it the other side. Wait, what? I'm putting it the other side. Whoa, that's cool. Not from the. What? Wait, what if I put my thing? It's a bigger. This is what I see. I see up and then I see this way. Oh my god, this is bigger. I can actually see it.
Which way was the arrow pointing? Can you show me?
Right.
Yeah, is it still pointing right?
Yes.
Can you make it flip?
Wait, what? How did it? Okay. How did it do that? I can still see it keeps looking at the flashing up. You need to do it as far as I'm doing. Like that? Oh, why don't you triple? I see triple. I said triple. Wow, I said triple so much. Look at it, it's triple. That's a big triple.
Happy birthday, Gary! Happy birthday, Mr. Rolf!
Happy birthday, Gary.
Happy birthday, Mr. Rolf!
Happy birthday, Mr. Rolf.
Happy birthday, Mr. Rolf!
Happy birthday, Mr. Rolf.
Happy birthday, Mr. Rolf!
Happy birthday, Gary.